Mocktails are non-alcoholic drinks made by mixing different fruit juices. I, Zalari Mehta, welcome Sauvik Raval, the youngest mocktail specialist of our city. Hi Sauvik.
Hello. Hello, I am Sauvik. Today we are going to make Arizona Sunrise mocktail which contain fresh fruit juice with added sugar. For that we need mango juice, pineapple juice, sugar syrup, lemon juice, watermelon syrup, kala khatta syrup and some ice cubes. So now we will add mango juice, pineapple juice, sugar syrup, lemon juice and some ice. And mix it well. Now we will add our mixed juice and our syrups in serving glass. Thank you. Already our mocktail is ready. You can try it now.
Wow Sauvik, it's too good. I definitely try it at my home to impress my friend. Thank you so much.